First of all, I want to thank you for today's session. It was very amazing. As how to crack interviews, how to sit, how to communicate with others and colleagues, and so many things.
Session. I didn't think the session would be so good. It's very helpful session.
Hey guys, I did a interview training program organized by Pinky ma'am, and seriously it was amazing. And
I have attended your interview practicing session of 2 days, and I must say we have learned a lot from it. Especially it was so interactive, so you have cleared our almost every doubt. How we should maintain our body language and vocabulary and so much many things.
How to improve communication skill and how to crack interview in all, ma'am. You are a best teacher and you always motivated me and in all case.
This is KH Disha Goswami. I would like to express my sincere gratitude and appreciation to Mrs. Khandelwal ma'am for conducting such an exceptional seminar on interview training. Indeed, it was a resourceful seminar and we got to learn so many things. Basically, what interviewers are expecting from their interviewees and how we can tackle that tricky questions. So, indeed, it was a very, very resourceful seminar. And
I'm Sagar from KEH Khandelwal English Hub. I would like to thank Ms. Khandelwal ma'am for arrange such amazing lecture on interview training, such a tricky questions asked by interviewer. This is very useful session for everyone.
It is really wonderful. It is really wonderful to have been taught by you, ma'am. Thanks a lot. I'm so lucky to have you in my life as a best teacher. Thanks a lot, ma'am. Just a few days, we have learned a lot of things from you just because of your frank and really lovely nature, ma'am. Remember you with deepest respect and affection, ma'am, and with your effort in making each session very wonderful, enjoyable and educational.
Ideas how to tackle the interview. Thank you so much, ma'am, for taking these sessions. And ma'am, you are very amiable and you are boosted my confidence, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am.
We were expecting from the interviews. You learn each and everything in this interview, how to crack interview with full of energize. I recommend to all please join this seminar.
I would like to share some words with you about our interview session. This session was really outstanding and I would like to extend my gratitude towards the time and efforts you have taken for us. You have taken such a beautiful session and it cleared out all doubts, queries and fear about interview. I consider myself very fortunate to be able to learn from you and your experiences and knowledge. You uplift our confident levels. I am sure it will help in my future and will make my future better. In today's growing world, there are very few people who have a time for others, and one of them is you. You are beautiful, no doubt, but the three precious things in the world makes you more beautiful. That's your pretty mind, pretty soul, and pretty heart. I'm very thankful from bottom of my heart and blessed by the teacher like you. Thank you.